So now that we are done with our portfolio and we have it ready to go, it's time to deal with the footer. So we go over to WordPress, to footer over here in the master key. Then we'll find a few set of options that allows you to customize your footer the way you want it. So we'll start by the first option, which is pretty simple and straightforward, enable or disable your footer. And then we have the enable or disable the subfooter. Subfooter is the area right here. This is the subfooter where you have the you have a logo, copyright information, and some navigation over here. And we have this option with which you can upload a subfooter logo. So you click over here, then you drag and drop or select whatever files or logo that you would like to upload. Then after that we have the subfooter navigation. You can enable or disable it. Subfooter navigation is this area right here, in case you don't know. And then we have the footer column layout. We have one column, two columns, 3 and 4 columns. So let's start by having 4 columns over here. Alright, so we're going to save our changes, go back to the website and refresh our page. Now you'll notice that nothing really happened over here. There isn't really any columns or anything in the footer that appeared. That's because we didn't add our widgets. So let's add some footer widgets. From appearance, over to widgets, and we will scroll down until we find these 4 options: the first footer widget area, second footer widget area, and so forth. So let's start by adding in the first footer widget area some Twitter feeds. So go over here, alright, Twitter feed. Gonna have a title for it, which is going to be simple, just Twitter feeds. And I'm gonna have the username artbees. You can enter your username in this area, so artbees_design. Save it. Discount 1. Maybe just like that. And for the second footer widget area, we can add some recent comments. Here are the recent comments. Right over here. Okay. And for the third one, let's add some recent posts. Okay, nice and simple. And for the fourth one, let's add some meta information. So meta. Okay, done. Go to our website again, refresh. And here we are, we find our Twitter feeds, the recent comments, the recent posts, and the meta information right here. Now, let's go over again to our master key. Okay, go over to footer again. And then say that you would like to have a 2-column layout, so you choose it. Save changes. Let's go over to website, and now because you chose the 2-column layout, you will notice that the other two they aren't appearing anywhere. Just that the first 2 that you have set, which is for the first one is the Twitter feeds and the recent comments, only appear, even though you you added some widgets to the third and fourth one right here. Okay, but anyway, they're not going to appear as long as you're using the 2-column layout. And if you use the 1-column layout, only the first will appear. If the 3-column layout, only the first 3 will appear, and so forth. So anyway, let's go back to our master key, and then we have the footer slogan. Footer slogan is this area right here. Okay, it should appear somewhere over here. So we want to enable it and enter some footer slogan, which is going to be something like, "This is my really awesome website, right? Save our changes, we head back over to our website, refresh, and there you have it. This is my really awesome website. There's also the tagline option. We're going to see that should appear somewhere over here. This is the footer tagline. It says something like, I love my awesome website. Save your changes. And there you go. I love my awesome website. Now, last thing is the copyright text, which displays all the copyright information that you want to include, like this. Okay, and that's really about it for the footer.